Some time ago, our mirror came down. Guess it kind of fell because of that wire gave loose off of that screw. Turned out to be that the cardboard that holds that wire, they use hot glue to hold it on. The other side was epoxy. So I wanted to fix this. I didn't want to get this epoxy because I hate the way it pushes out. So I wanted to try this one because you can push them out individually and mix it up. So now I have to remove the hot glue that was holding this side up so I can put the epoxy on it like the other side. So it's been about 2 hours and now it's dry. So I wanted to give it a shot by hanging it up to see how it holds. I realized it was going to be difficult to hang it up with this light in the way, so I wanted to remove it. Seen this on a video before where they use a fork to catch the wire so it can slide straight down on the screw, so I wanted to give it a shot to see if it works. And to my surprise, it actually worked. So now that the mirror is back where it needs to be, I can tackle this light issue. I'm going to remove these lights so I can sand it and paint it because of the rust, I guess because of the shower. So I'm going to use some sandpaper to sand the rust and some steel wool to see what works best. And I'll use this Rust-Oleum paint. See how this looks on it. Kind of has this texture to it. So I would have painted this outside, but it started to drizzle, so I just hung it in the garage, and I'll try to paint it that way. To try to cut down on some of the paint, I just use a cardboard behind it as I spray. So now I just have to let it dry. You can see that texture, looks pretty cool.